Hi there, this is Siddharth Shah. I'm the CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. First of all, thank you to the admins of Entrepreneurial Excel for giving me this opportunity to contribute to their community. And I'm an expert on Think and Grow Rich principles. We represent the Napoleon Hill Foundation in India. And so, what is Think and Grow Rich? For some people, it might just be a book and it's one of the best sellers, but I don't call it as just a book. I mean, the formula of Think and Grow Rich has made more millionaires than any other success formula in the world. And this is a tried and tested formula, it's a proven fact, and it's still the number one best selling book as well as the success formula. And so, what is it? What is Think and Grow Rich? And is it really possible to think and grow rich? Well, these are the kind of questions which people keep on asking. And I'm in this video going to give you an insight that what is possible by applying the principles of Think and Grow Rich in your life. And richness is not just about money in the bank, but in Think and Grow Rich, we talk about the 12 riches of life. Few of them are like positive mental attitude, sound health, harmony in human relations, freedom from fear, hope of future achievement, capacity of applied faith, and so on and so forth. But to give you a glimpse of what is Think and Grow Rich, let us take a very important or a very well known theme or quote from Think and Grow Rich. And it goes like this: it's whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. And probably most of you must have heard about this quote, and who have read the book Think and Grow Rich or who are following Napoleon Hill, that it's a very famous quote. But I'm over here going to dissect that quote into three parts so that you get the real essence of this particular source of Think and Grow Rich. So let's look at this way. The first element of this particular quote is whatever the mind can conceive. It's whatever the mind can conceive. It's not limited to your limiting beliefs or you're stopping your goals by focusing on the how part. It's whatever the mind can conceive. So the first element is the idea. The starting point of all achievement is the ideation process, and that's the first part. Every starting point is the thought process or the idea which you're having in your mind. So that's the first element. And what's the second element? So it's whatever the mind can conceive. We already covered that. And believe. So the belief comes from the heart. It comes through your emotions and feelings. And this is where it's a very crucial, important aspect where there has to be 100% alignment between your conception through your mindset or through your brain and your belief systems through your heart. And many a times, ordinary people are stuck where they are in a tug of war. Where the mind is saying something else and the heart is saying something else, and you don't know what to do in your life, and you're in a tug of war, you're actually in a dilemma. So the first two elements are a complete coordination of 100% harmony between whatever is your conception from your mindset or your brain and your heart, right? So that's the belief systems and your brain. So it's a complete 100% alignment between the first two steps. So we covered the first two steps, like whatever the mind can conceive and believe. And what's the final element in this particular core theme? It's whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. Well, that's the normal way of looking at the entire quote. But in Think and Grow Rich, when I went to the foundation, I understood that this word achieve is not to be read as achieve, but it has to be read as act achieve. It is act achieve. So there is no word like this in the dictionary, but this is where the rubber meets the road. It's unrelentless action towards the goals which you have conceived with full on belief systems, and you are going to get that goal. So again, in Think and Grow Rich, the word think is repeated 56 times. I mean, if you read the entire book and if you just make a count of the number of times the word think is repeated, it is only 56 times the word think is repeated. Whereas the word action is repeated 79 times in the book. So you know where the balance is. Even Napoleon Hill says, just by thinking, nothing is going to happen. But you need to have it to be, the thoughts and the belief systems need to be backed with action. The action has to be massive, the action needs to be consistent, and the action needs to be with persistence. And if you have these all the three elements together, like your conception, your belief systems, and your action, there's nothing in the world which can stop you of whatever you want to achieve in your life. So again, as a CA MBA, I topped my classes by doing acronyms, and so there is an acronym to remember this particular formula, and this is what I call as my reverse ABC. My reverse ABC, it's like conceive, believe, achieve. CBA, it's my reverse ABC: conceive, believe, achieve. Conceive, believe, achieve. Conceive, believe, achieve. So get this thing burned in your mindset that this is the core theme of Think and Grow Rich. It has worked wonders for millions of people. I mean, we are doing so much of wonderful work by just dissecting the principles of Think and Grow Rich. People who have read the book, people who have read the audios, but still are struggling in their life. That's where we come into the picture and we make a real difference in their life. Need not be money in the bank. It could be whatever the way your richness would define: your health, your relationships, your career, your net worth, whichever way you would want to define your richness. It's possible, because that's Think and Grow Rich. Once again, friends, I want to thank the community of Entrepreneur Excel, especially the admins of Entrepreneur Excel, for giving me this opportunity to contribute to the community over here. And my name is Siddharth Shah. We represent the Napoleon Hill Foundation in India, and I'm an expert on Think and Grow Rich. Thank you. Bye-bye.